is Maneka.
Hello guys, welcome back to another new vlog. So this is your friend Sid, Scooter Life, and this is Mumbai ka traffic. This particular area is always in the traffic. Well, there is one exit towards the Chembur Link Road, Santa Cruz Chembur Road. So that's why this area is crowded with people who just want to take that exit towards Panvel. So leaving that aside, so I'm just heading off towards Bandra West right now because there is one event and I'm going over there. So the time right now is 11 and I'm pretty much late actually. So the event was about to start at 10:30, but it's 11 and I'm heading off over there right now. Let's see. Oh, क्या कर रहे हो यार? So this is the reason traffic accumulates. People don't have any sense to drive and all stuff. So I am heading off to YouTube's event. So YouTube has one event called as the Marathi Day. I don't have any idea about what the event would be upon and how would be the event. So I'm just going there for the first time. For those who don't know how I got this invitation, so just follow YouTube events on Twitter. So I'll give the link in the description. Just do follow YouTube YT Creators India. So I just saw one of the tweet and just signed up for the email thing. And yesterday only I got a mail stating that today, the 15th of December, is YouTube's Marathi Day. So I'm heading off over there. So right now I have reached Bandra Teachers Colony. It's not Bandra, but it's Thar basically. So this area is known as Thar. Actually Santa Cruz is behind and over here there is Thar. And this is the Teachers Colony. Vlogging is not so easy, man. So you will have to always have to look at the mirror that the camera is on or not. Sometimes it happens that you are at the middle of the shot, you are going to see something very important, but the camera is not recording. So that's the most worst moment. Actually, I remember the scene, where I was very new to the Xiaomi cam actually. So I just purchased it and it was like a week or so, and then I met Mumbai ka Nikhil at that particular time. So the thing happened I was just recording and then it was in the photo mode actually. So you guys can see there is the Bandra Worli Sea Lake. It's pretty amazing. I'm not sure you guys can see or not. So that particular area over there is Dadar and that's the Bandra Worli Sea Lake. And over there, that particular road, if you guys take, you can go to the Bandra Worli Sea Lake. So bikes are not allowed, two-wheelers are not allowed over there. But you guys can take your car over there. भाई ताज लैंड एंड्स के लिए कौन सा रास्ता जाएगा? नहीं मालूम. भाई ताज लैंड एंड्स के लिए कौन सा रास्ता आता है? ताज लैंड एंड्स बैंड स्टैंड स्टाइल, बैंड साइड. यहाँ से लेफ्ट और सीधा सीधा. अच्छा यहाँ से लेफ्ट और सीधा सीधा. अच्छा अच्छा. फोर्ट भी वहाँ पे ही आता है ना? बैंड्रा फोर्ट भी वहाँ पे ही आता है ना? ईस्ट में आता है. अच्छा अच्छा. बैक साइड में यहाँ पे आता है ना? एकदम सीधा सीधा. थैंक यू. So I haven't been to Bandra very much. I just remember this particular road when we used to take this road actually just to go to Mount Mary. I presume that Taj land ends is somewhere near Mount Mary only. So right now inside this Taj hotel, and you guys can see over there is the event. So I am currently going over there. So actually I missed the first session and the second session is about to start. I'm looking forward to meet new people. Let's see how it is. And you guys should see this location, this is pretty amazing. See, this is the Taj Lands Hotel, you guys can see over here. So, and this event was organized over there at the Garden View Hall. So you guys can see this is amazing, the view over here is amazing. And you guys can see over there the tip of Bandra Worli Sea Link. Sessions are done and more 2 sessions are remaining. So right now we are having lunch over there, you guys can see. So meeting a lot of new YouTubers. Meet Akash over here. He has a great channel, Bapao Giri. If you want
description, link will be in the description.
If you want to see all the songs which are copied, check his channel. And we also have
Siddha Hindi Vlogs. Please check it out.
Finally the event has come to an end and you guys can see there is open house as well. So open house would be like a tour of the YouTube Space Mumbai, which is there at Whistling Woods near Film City. So now it's time to meet some new people. Look who we have in the house. One of the amazing Marathi actor, Mr. Sandeep Kulkarni. So you guys have seen the amazing film which is Dombivli Fast. This was the guy himself. सर काहीतरी बोला आमच्या सबस्क्रायबर्ससाठी.
ऑल द बेस्ट. ब्लॉगवर सबस्क्राईब करा, तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा, तुमच्या मैत्रिणींना सांगा. आणि ट्रॅव्हल
ब्लॉग्स मोठं ब्लॉग
ट्रॅव्हल इज वन ऑफ फार छान आपल्या एक जीवनामध्ये एक्सप्लोअर करता येतं आणि त्याचा एक वेगळा आनंद घेता येतो. ब्लॉग्सवर हे करा, ट्रॅव्हलर ब्लॉग. आणि मी पण
Thank you. So guys, the event was amazing and after the event my scooter was towed up. Actually I wasn't aware. I thought it was the parking space for the bikes and all stuff, so I just parked, and when I came outside the event I just saw that scooter was not there. Afterwards we came over here just to check out some shoes as Akash wanted to buy some shoes. So stay updated on his channel as he will bring you the amazing
Links in the description. Links in the description.
Yeah.
जल्दी subscribe करो.
And this is Saurabh. His channel is Shuddha Hindi Vlogs.
तो देखिए ज़रूर.
And Akash channel is Bapao Giri. Subscribe button दबाना मत भूलना.
If you have made it till the end, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to his channel and my channel. And ये जाने दो, इसको मत करो. And do leave a like and also comment down below if you have anything to say.
और प्लीज़ हमें तीनों को सब्सक्राइब करो. उससे क्या है ना, YouTube पे मेरी वट बढ़ेगी और आपको अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस देखने मिलेंगे. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. चलो बाय.
बोल चैनल
शुद्ध हिंदी ब्लॉग्स. प्लीज चेक इट आउट.
सच में है क्या चैनल में?
And if you have made it till the end, make sure to leave a like. Hey,
बोल रहा है भाई बोल रहा है कुछ बोलने दे.
कुछ नहीं भाई, कुछ नहीं. So if you have come down, allow it.
तू चांगला होता. रिलेट करेंगे लोग.